In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your website in Wix. Whether you're looking to create a more engaging user experience, share a podcast, feature music, or add some background sound to your site, Wix makes it simple to integrate audio elements with just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional audio player embedded on your site, customized to fit your design and preferences. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you have your Wix website editor open in your preferred web browser. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and build out your website. Next, look for the plus icon in that left-hand menu. This is the button you'll use to add new elements to your site, and it's a great starting point for adding an audio player. Give it a click, and you'll see a submenu pop up with a variety of options. Now, hover your cursor over the option labeled Video and Music. Don't click just yet. Take a moment to explore the submenu that appears. Within this category, you'll find an option called Audio Players. You'll want to select this. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a collection of audio player designs. These are pre-built elements that you can use to display your audio files. Take your time browsing through the available options. Each audio player has its own unique style, so choose one that aligns with your website's overall design and functionality needs. Whether you're looking for something sleek and minimal or bold and eye-catching, there's bound to be a player that suits your vision. When you've found the perfect audio player, click on it to add it to your website. It'll appear on your page, and you can move it around or resize it to fit wherever you want it to be. Once it's in place, you'll notice that the audio player comes with some basic settings you can adjust. Let's move on to uploading your audio file. On the audio player, look for a button labeled Change Track. Go ahead and click on that. A prompt will appear, allowing you to access your Wix audio library. This is where all your uploaded audio files will be stored. If you don't already have the track you want uploaded, click the Upload Track button. From here, you can select an audio file directly from your computer. Choose the file you want to use, and Wix will upload it to your audio library. Once the upload is complete, it's ready to be added to your audio player. For an added touch of customization, Wix lets you fill in details about your audio file. You can include information such as the artist's name and the track name. While this step is optional, it's a great way to make your audio element more informative and visually appealing. Now let's configure the playback options. This step is all about enhancing the functionality of your audio player. You can decide whether you want the track to play only once or loop continuously in the background. Adjust these settings according to your needs, and don't forget to save your changes. Finally, it's time to preview your website. Click on the Preview button to see how the audio player looks, and most importantly, sounds on your site. Check that it fits well with your design and functions exactly as you intended. If everything looks great, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio player to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Good luck with your website, and thanks for watching.